In Southlake, Texas, where outdoor living spaces and curb appeal are highly valued, homeowners are continually looking for innovative ways to enhance their property's aesthetics and functionality. One such innovation that has been gaining popularity in recent years is outdoor LED soffit lighting. This subtle yet striking lighting solution plays a crucial role in transforming your home's exterior and enhancing the overall nighttime landscape. Here's why outdoor LED soffit lighting is an essential addition to your Southlake property. Subtle and stylish aesthetic appeal. Soffit lighting refers to lighting fixtures installed in the soffit, the underside of the eaves of a roof. When you install LED soffit lights, they create a gentle, indirect glow that illuminates your home's exterior without overpowering the surrounding environment. This soft lighting not only highlights architectural features but also adds a sophisticated, modern touch to your home's overall aesthetic. In Southlake, where homes range from traditional to contemporary styles, outdoor LED soffit lighting can complement any design. The discreet nature of soffit lighting allows it to blend seamlessly into the architecture, offering a subtle yet stylish enhancement. Whether you want to highlight your home's roofline, emphasize its curves, or simply add a glowing touch to your outdoor spaces, soffit lighting elevates the nighttime appeal without the harshness of brighter floodlights. Energy efficiency and longevity. LED lighting has quickly become the preferred choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy consumption while still enjoying bright, effective illumination. Compared to traditional incandescent or halogen lights, LED bulbs consume significantly less power and last much longer. This is particularly beneficial for outdoor soffit lighting, which often stays on for extended periods of time in the evenings. By switching to LED soffit lights, Southlake homeowners can reduce their electricity bills without compromising on quality or quantity of light. LED bulbs are highly energy efficient, using up to 80% less energy than traditional lighting sources. Additionally, they have a much longer lifespan, lasting up to 25 times longer than incandescent bulbs, meaning fewer replacements and less maintenance. Enhanced safety and security. One of the primary benefits of outdoor lighting is its ability to increase safety and security around your home. LED soffit lights are ideal for illuminating the exterior of your home, particularly areas like the entryways, walkways, or driveway. Properly placed soffit lighting helps to keep these areas visible, preventing accidents or falls by providing enough light to see obstacles or changes in terrain. Beyond safety, soffit lighting enhances security by discouraging potential intruders. Well-lit areas are less attractive to burglars or vandals, as they are more likely to be noticed. By illuminating key parts of your home's exterior, you create a deterrent for criminal activity and increase the visibility of your property. Soffit lighting adds a layer of security without being intrusive, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere while also protecting your home. Highlighting architectural features. In Southlake, where many homes feature beautiful architectural details such as intricate rooflines, facades, or landscaping, soffit lighting can be used to highlight these special features. By placing LED soffit lights along the eaves, you can draw attention to your home's design and architectural elements, making them stand out in the evening hours. Whether you have a modern home with clean lines or a traditional estate with ornate details, Soffit lighting can be tailored to enhance the beauty of your property. By strategically positioning the lights, you can create striking visual effects that bring out the best features of your home, ensuring that your property looks just as impressive at night as it does during the day. Creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Outdoor lighting doesn't just serve functional purposes, it also creates a mood. Soffit lighting, with its gentle glow, provides a warm, inviting ambiance to your outdoor spaces. Whether you're hosting guests for a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening on the patio, LED Soffit lights add a cozy atmosphere that encourages relaxation and socializing. In Southlake, where outdoor living is an important aspect of daily life, Soffit lighting can help transform your yard, porch, or patio into a peaceful retreat. The soft illumination creates an inviting environment for evening gatherings, ensuring that your outdoor spaces are just as enjoyable after the sun sets. Minimal maintenance. Unlike traditional lighting systems that may require frequent bulb replacements or repairs, LED Soffit lights are incredibly low maintenance. Their long lifespan means you won't need to replace bulbs as often, and their durability makes them resistant to weather conditions like rain or wind, which can be particularly important in Southlake's changing seasons. Moreover, LED lights don't heat up like incandescent bulbs, reducing the risk of overheating or damage to your fixtures. This durability ensures that your Soffit lighting system will continue to perform well for years with minimal attention required. Customization and flexibility. LED Soffit lighting offers a high degree of flexibility when it comes to customization. You can choose from various color temperatures, from warm yellow tones to cooler white light, to suit your home's aesthetic and the mood you want to create. Additionally, dimmable LED options are available, giving you complete control over the brightness of your lights. For homeowners in Southlake who like to decorate their home for holidays or special occasions, the flexibility of LED Soffit lighting allows you to change the color or intensity of your lights to fit the theme. Whether you're celebrating a holiday or simply want to change the look of your home's exterior, LED lights can adapt to your needs. Conclusion. Outdoor LED Soffit lighting is a powerful and versatile tool for enhancing your home's nighttime landscape in Southlake. From improving your home's curb appeal and highlighting architectural features to increasing safety and security, Soffit lighting provides a range of benefits that elevate the exterior of your property. The energy efficiency, long-lasting durability, and minimal maintenance make LED Soffit lights an excellent investment that continues to pay off for years to come. Whether you're looking to create a cozy atmosphere or add a layer of security, LED Soffit lighting is a smart choice for homeowners who want to improve their property's appearance and functionality.